There's another camp that says that maybe we're placing too much emphasis on the threat of AI. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think we don't talk enough about the benefits. I think that AI has the potential to eliminate like nearly all human suffering in the next couple of decades. I think we can have a world of abundance. We can eliminate poverty over time. We can probably cure a whole lot of diseases. There are all these wonderful things that the technology can do. And I think we're already seeing that in just how much better a lot of consumer products we use every day have gotten. People like disaster porn. People are more interested in talking about the end of the world than they are about life getting 10% better every year and having that compound, which gets a lot better. So, you know, you can, if you're a journalist, you can write an article about how AI is going to end the world and get a lot of clicks and, you know, a page view bonus or whatever you get. Or you can like write an article about how AI is like gradually making all these problems 10% better, and probably no one reads it. Certainly no one shares it. And so I think for whatever reason, the way we're wired is to talk much more about the downside of this than the upside. But the upside, I think, is going to be huge. It already is huge.